So I got my silver playlist. Okay? Isn't it beautiful? Presented to the Regina Show for passing over 12,000 subs. And this is the box that it came in. Was packaged very well. That's some packaging. That's some additional packaging. And then this box right here. So it was packaged. First, it was packaged in this plastic. Okay, kind of clumsy here. Then it laid in the box like that. Then it had this bubbled, very well packaged to fit on it like that. And then it went inside of the box. It was tight. It was tight, you guys. But it went in the box like this. So I didn't do an unboxing. Well, I'm gonna do an unboxing now. I ripped it open like that. And I pulled it out like this. Took that off. Lifted the bag. And carefully pulled it out. Carefully. And there you go. Congratulations to the Regina Show. And thank you, YouTube. Thank you for watching.